Trains, metros, we all ride them. But have you ever wondered what makes them run smoothly? How their design ensures comfort, safety, and performance? That's the world of rolling stock. Introducing Railway Academy's 20-hour self-paced certificate program in rolling stock for railways and metro. A focused course to give you in-depth knowledge about locomotive, coach, and metro vehicle systems. Who can attend? Engineers, maintenance professionals, metro planners, mechanical graduates, or anyone interested in vehicle systems in rail and metro networks. What you will learn: basics of rolling stock, vehicle components, bogies, car body, propulsion systems, traction motors, drive systems, braking methods, and HVAC, train dynamics, forces, stability, acceleration, ride comfort, maintenance, diagnostics, reliability, and life cycle management. What you will be able to do after. Explain how different rolling stock subsystems work together. Design or evaluate bogie, traction, or braking systems. Analyze vehicle dynamics for safety and comfort. Contribute to maintenance and life cycle planning of rolling stock units. Work confidently in rolling stock design, procurement, maintenance, or operations teams. If you are ready to deepen your expertise in the heart of train systems, enroll now in the 20-hour rolling stock certificate course with Railway Academy and drive your rail career forward.